Hello everyone, welcome back to Kia Land. My name is Kyle Hall. I'm the service manager with Kia of Everett. Today I'm going to show you how to update your vehicle's audio head unit, whether it has the onboard navigation or whether it does not. It's real easy and it may give you a new look in some additional features and functions that you did not have before. Alright, so you are going to need a computer in order to download the software for your head unit. It can either be a Windows-based computer or a Macintosh-based. Either one will work. What you're going to want to do is just open up the web browser of your choice and type in update.kia.com. That's going to bring you to this site that we see right here, which is the Kia Navigation Update website. To download the program, you'll click Navigation Updater Download, where it says Start Here. Now's where you have the option to select, are you on a Windows-based computer or a Macintosh computer? In this case, we're going to select Windows, and you'll see the program starts downloading. Once downloaded, just go ahead and open that program up. Select the country you're in this case will be United States, and then Kia, the language of choice, and you'll just make sure to read through those terms and conditions of the licensing contract. You'll need to click accept and then next. Select the location where you do want this application to be downloaded, and it begins installation. Alright, so program's going to open up. You will need to allow it to make changes to your device because it will be downloading software. Alright, and then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to enter your Kia UVO email and password. So if you haven't created a UVO link, that's okay. You can also log in as a guest. It's really not going to matter if you enter your credentials or not. Alright, so just kind of a notice here where the downloaded files will be saved. Again, you have an opportunity where you could change that location. If it all looks good, just select OK. Right here, it's a notice that tells you how to find the software version on your vehicle. So current software version, where you can then reference the update version to see if there is an update available for your vehicle. Now, updates typically come out every 1 to 2 years, so if you are a couple years or prior since an update has been performed, then it's pretty safe to say there probably is an update available for your vehicle. Alright, so here's where you're actually going to select what model and what year your vehicle is. In this case today, for testing purposes, we're going to be using a Kia Stinger. Model year is 2020, so I'll select 2019 to 2021, and then just OK in the bottom right. So the next screen we get to here, it's just telling you that the software, it's going to be downloaded to your hard disk. You don't have an option to download it anywhere else. That is where it will go. Select next, and then a notice comes up here, and it's going to let you know essentially that you need a piece of hardware that you're going to be downloading this program onto. Once it's installed on your hard drive, you'll transfer it over. Now, depending on your vehicle, there's going to be two options on the method of storage that you need. It's either going to be a portable SD card, or you'll need a portable thumb drive. Now, the way that you're going to find out what one your vehicle needs is you're going to go right up to the audio head unit, kind of check around the edge of it, and if you see a little flap that says SD on it, then you would open up that flap, push in the SD card, and of course that means you would be using an SD card. If you don't see that little flap that says SD, then that's going to mean your vehicle uses the portable storage thumb drive to transfer over that media. In that case, just make sure you have one of these that's at least 32 gigabytes. The SD card also needs to be 32 gigabytes. On the SD card, that's the magic number. Make sure to not buy one that's 64. It will only accept that 32 gigabyte SD card, and the warning on screen tells you that as well. So select OK once you've read that message, and just select through here. This is the data storage location. If you do want to change it, that's another option for you. Select OK, and the software update for your vehicle is going to be downloading. Alright, Kia owners, so software download is complete. We fast forwarded through that process for you. it's going to appear with this screen right here. Now, at this point, you're going to want to insert your portable storage device into your computer, whether that be the SD card or it be the USB drive. Now, either way, whether it's the SD card or the USB drive, what we're going to do is we're going to click copy to SD card. You don't want to do this though until that is inserted in the computer and recognized. So you just select what drive you have that portable storage device plugged into, click next. Once again, we have just a warning letting you know it needs to be at least that 32 gigabyte space if you're using an SD card. And yes, we do want to reformat that SD card or USB drive. Click yes, and you'll now see that we're downloading from the computer onto the portable storage device now. So once again, we're going to fast forward. We'll pause it here and resume in a moment. All right, so step one here is going to be we're going to turn the engine in the vehicle on. The reason we're going to turn the engine on is because this update takes about half an hour to an hour to install, and we don't want to drain your vehicle's battery down. If your vehicle is equipped with the auto start stop function, you'll want to disable that as well. We're going to just enter in, and we're going to go to setup. Once we're in setup, we're going to scroll over to where we see system info. You'll go ahead and click into system info. So once you're in system info, you're ready to plug in your portable storage device, either the USB or the SD card. In this case, we have the USB, which will plug in right in front of the shifter to the port that says USB. And you'll see at the top of the display screen here, it says reading USB. Once that goes away, you are now ready to start the update. All you're going to do is click this button. Software update is going to be multiple steps. You don't have to do anything to bring it from one step to the next. When it's all finished up, your display is going to be a new refreshed look. You may have some additional features and functions, and you're ready to drive off. That's a wrap.